Well, hey, and welcome back to the Positively Joyful Productivity Show. I'm your host, Nicole Louise, and today we're going to talk about cleaning up our ChatGPT account. Now, one of the biggest problems I hear from various women in business is that they've been using ChatGPT for a while and they've got endless amounts of chats. And it's really difficult to find certain things that they use frequently because they use it for all kinds of things. And so your chat log just gets so congested and backed up. And so, how do you manage that? And another thing is, once you've set up your projects and GPTs don't communicate with each other yet. I'm hoping that that changes. Come on, OpenAI. But in the meantime, they don't communicate. And so if you're using a GPT for specific things, those chats can add up in your chat feed. And then when you're asking it to do all kinds of other random stuff, everything gets pretty backed up pretty quickly. And so what do? I'm going to show you. So let's jump in. Here we are in ChatGPT, and this is, of course, my account. And so you can see on my account, I have an endless amount of chats. So, how do we get this cleaned up? So, you can see I've got my projects set up for different things. And I also have a ton of GPTs that I use. So, those GPT chats and then those random, like one off conversations that I have with ChatGPT, everything just gets piled and added and lost in the shuffle, right? So, here is the solution. You are going to create a new project. So for my listening audience, on the left-hand side, where all of your settings are in apps and projects and GPTs, you're going to go to the project section and you're going to click new project. And we're going to call this random chats. Now, I'm going to turn the memory off for project only because this is going to be those one-off conversations that, like, if things come up, once at a doctor appointment or a meeting or an email you have to respond to, and it's not necessarily related to anything that you would put in a project, I don't really want the memory to be used elsewhere in my ChatGPT account. So I turned memory off. And again, for my listening audience, you go to the little settings gear up in the right hand side of the box and you click project only. And remember, you can only do this once. Once the project is created, you cannot change that function. So just be aware of that. So now I'm going to create my project. And it's taking a moment. There we go. So now I have my random chats project. So what I can do next is I can go through my list of old chats and I can figure out what is kind of taking up space, what's clogging up my feed, and what I can kind of get rid of. So this first one here, this October 1st log, that's from my GPT. So that is going to stay put right there. Email attention needed. This was definitely like a one-off thing. So I'm going to move it to a project. So for my listening audience, you hover over the title of the chat, and then there's three dots. You click those three dots, hover over move to project, and then you can pick your project, random chats, and boom, it's out of my feed. You can see I'm in my project, random chats, and now the conversations that I've moved in here are showing up under the chat box. So super, super simple way to clean up your ChatGPT chat feed and keep things easy, simple, and streamlined. All right, thanks for tuning in. I hope that you found this helpful. And if you are looking for more resources, I have a free offer, which is the Build Your Dream AI Business Partner Kit. That is totally free. You can grab the link below. Or if you are looking for extra support, I am offering a 30-minute call where I help you organize, optimize, and elevate your ChatGPT account. So for more information on that, grab the link under this video. Thanks for now. Have a beautiful week, and I'll chat with you soon.